In this video, I'll be showing you how you make a post on ZEPETO. It's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do everything in this video. So to do that, you see I'm on my profile. You just tap on the create here, just tap on the create, just like TikTok, simple and easy. So whether it's a video or something, the editor is for editing, the camera is for, taking a picture or video, and the live is for going on live, and the album, I'm going to select something. Just use this. I just want to use this, something like that. So we can add the music to it, just like TikTok. You can even share it to TikTok afterwards. You can add text, you can add avatars. You see the one on top there. Everything, you can just tap on that, and then let's make it a fast post. So let's tap on next. Good. And now, just like TikTok, you can add something, blah blah blah, and you can add a hashtag just like you do on TikTok. You get it, hashtag and hashtag HTH. Let's say that will be an hashtag. Something like this. You tag members. So if you have friends, you can tag them. It's up to you. And after that, let me select one person. And now done. And now claps, tag words, and the rest you can do that. You can tag items of your choice if you have some items. And if you want to allow comment too, you can just sorry. The items just opened. If you want to allow comment, you just leave it like this. If you don't want anybody to comment, you just want them to see and react, you just turn it off. After that, they're done, you post it. Let me untag this person because this is not a proper post. Good. Now let me just tap on the done to post it. Good. So now you can see my upload is complete, and you can see there's the post here. It's been posted, and you see no comments there. I don't allow any comment, just like I did. So that's it for now. You make a post on ZEPETO. Very much simple and easy. It has been added to my profile, and the pinned one is on top there, just like I said in the other video. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.